Do you want more customers for your cleaning business? Do you want your phone to ring consistently, know you're booking up your diaries, and work with customers that are prepared to pay your prices? Well, I totally get it. My family have a carpet cleaning business. I help them and hundreds of other cleaning businesses to get more work. How do I do that? With Google Ads. I manage your Google AdWords account to get your phone ringing. We're having great success for my family's business. My dad, in just 2 months, got 153 new leads. He spent £2,600 on Google Ads, but get this, he got back 14,900. Dean in Birmingham, he got 65 new leads in just 1 month. He invested £750 into Google Ads and got back £5,200. Colin in Brighton got 50 new leads in just 1 month. He invested £1,100 and got back £7,000 in extra revenue. And Jason spent £2,300 on Google Ads and generated an extra £10,200 in extra revenue for his business. £10,200. Think what this sort of money could do for your cleaning business. I know your industry and I know Google Ads. I'm a Google Ads partner. You aren't signed into any long-term contracts, and if I'm working with you, I'm not working with any of your competitors. You get total area exclusivity. Most importantly, I record all of your calls so you can look back at all the leads we're getting you and work out to the penny how profitable your ad campaign is. My services to manage your ads is just £165 a month plus VAT. Do you want to get started? I'd love to work with you. Just click on the link below this ad, book in a call with me, and let's have a chat. I'll be really honest if I think Google Ads could generate you more work. I'm looking forward to speaking to you.